What's going on, guys? This will probably be a quicker video, but I wanted to talk about something that wasn't mentioned in my last Voyager video. The email that I looked over didn't go over this date. We do actually have a date that the withdrawals will likely start, meaning you can take your crypto off of Voyager and put it into a different wallet. And 30 days after they start this withdrawal period, if you don't take out your cryptos, you'll get paid out in cash. But according to Voyager's official creditors committee, we may be able to start making withdrawals by June 1. And currently we're set for about 35% of our claims. And if you want a little more context on that, check out my last video, but I did want to mention this. There is $445 million that Voyager has in the sidelines that they're just holding to see what happens with this FTX claim against Voyager. So if the courts force Voyager to pay FTX, they do have this money on the side, and regardless of what happens with that, we are getting roughly 35%. But if this FTX litigation gets dismissed, our expected recovery could rise to about 64%. So I'll leave that article down below for you, but I also want to show you this article. This is very old, but it kind of goes into where that claim came from. So basically, FTX claims that it paid Voyager $250 million nearly in September, and almost $200 million in October. And FTX is basically saying that Voyager was knowingly or recklessly funneling customer funds towards Alameda with little or no due diligence. I think the most likely outcome is that there will be some sort of settlement and Voyager won't have to pay that full amount, meaning we may get more of our funds back. I think Voyager definitely made a huge mistake trusting FTX, Alameda, and Three Arrows Capital, but I personally am of the belief that they didn't necessarily do this on purpose. These were, in my opinion, more like unforeseen events that basically caused the demise of Voyagerdigital. But let me know what you think about that down below. Was Voyager doing something shady in the background, or did they just get lumped in with all this mess with FTX, Alameda, and Three Arrows Capital? Now, I did want to show you the chart on VGX. We are still just trading very sideways. It is trying very hard to maintain this all-time low. I do still think there's an opportunity for a trade here if you are willing to trade it and set a stop loss, with a stop loss in place somewhere around 12 cents or so. But just looking at the chart, it is bearish. It is near its 52-week low. It is facing a descending 50 and 200 moving average, and with Binance backing out of the deal, I really don't see the potential for VGX. But that doesn't mean there isn't an opportunity for a trade. But like I said, I do think something like this would be wise to set a stop loss for. But thanks for watching, guys. Sorry if you could hear my dishwasher in the background. It does look like we're going to get some of our claims very soon here with Voyager. But let me know down below in the comments, what are you going to do? Are you going to withdraw your crypto? Are you going to wait until after the 30-day period and just get the cash? And when you do get some of this value back, what are you going to put it into? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks as always, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.